When I was approached about becoming a member of a TAB board and participate in the one-on-one coaching with Dallas, the criteria I really used to evaluate my decision were the return on investment. It was an investment each month, and I talked at length with existing members of my board and also got some referrals from other TAB members about what they got out of it. And I heard really great reviews, 100% from everyone I spoke with, and I felt that even though it was coming at a time when business was very slow, it was actually a very opportune time to make that kind of investment in our business, and it has been a very wise choice. I have to admit that I've always had a bit of a negative prejudice against the term coaching. I probably based on having had some negative experiences with coaching earlier in my career, but I can say with 100% assurity that my experience with business coaching through TAB has been very, very positive. I would advocate that this is something that any business owner should invest their time and resources into doing. Actually, I didn't really have any concerns going into the relationship with TAB. It was more, my concerns were, again, making sure that I got a return on the investment of both time and financial resources. And I think that membership on the TAB board has been a very, very good use of my time. It forces a business owner like myself to really carve out time each month to focus on business strategy and planning. And I think that for business owners like myself, we get so caught up in the day-to-day that we don't make that type of time. And my involvement with TAB has really forced that, and it has been a great experience for me and for our business. The peer advisory board has been excellent in that I've gotten such great input from other business owners in different industries that I may not have interacted with either professionally or socially in any other form. And even though they're in industries that are very different from mine, I think all businesses to some degree battle with similar challenges, and I've learned a great deal in hearing the challenges that they're facing and working together as a group to overcome them. As far as the one-on-one business coaching, our monthly meetings with Dallas have been very, very helpful, and he has helped me a great deal in looking at my business differently, creating systems and protocols that help us be much more efficient and therefore more profitable. The peer board and our one-on-one coaching has helped me manage talk in a much better way in that I manage in a much more deliberate and long-term, with a much more deliberate and long-term viewpoint. We are doing a lot of strategic long-term planning that is really going to help us both today and tomorrow, and to get us in a position where we really want our company to be. Having colleagues and business owners from other industries on the TAB board and non-competing industries on the TAB board, I think is great because, we have an accountant, we have a lawyer, we have a manufacturer, we have a distributor. These are all businesses that face specific challenges that I may or may not face, but the core challenge is something that we all face every day, and that is how to operate more efficiently, how to better deal with human resources challenges, how to obtain capital, how to plan for long-term growth and how to manage that growth. And the insight that I've gotten from the other TAB members has been, I think, one of the most valuable takeaways that I've had from our membership to date. It's been great.
Past, present, future digital. You live the moment. We'll make it last. Call us at 910-399-1820 or go online at ppfdigital.com.